present over here. I am Vandana from 9th standard and representing a speech on Independence Day. So today we all are gathered here to commemorate our sacrifices of our ancestors, freedom fighters, our heroes who fought with bravery for our independence and our freedom that we are enjoying today. Do you think that it was easy? No. It required a lot of courage, bravery, sacrifices and pain. And which is the most valuable thing in the world and even I call universe. We can't repay it with a bundle of diamonds or anything more precious than it. I have no words to say that what was the pain they feel when they were fighting for our freedom. So that was a dream for people who were fighting at that time and which is true now. But do you think that we are utilizing it in a proper manner or not? Absolutely not. Because they have some dreams like the freedom that they are providing for us today. We will use them and become like a most prosperous country in the world. Is it true in the ground reality or not? We have all the riches like natural resources and everything. But still we are not at the reaches of the earth. Like other countries are also prosperous than us. Who got freedom after 1945 you may. It's just because that we are not utilizing it until we have got freedom from the British minorities. But unless we are slave of our dreams, like corruption. There is corruption in everything, like each and every field that exists. Corruption is everywhere. Let me recall some examples, like corruption in medical services, corruption in education, corruption in sports, and corruption in like media. Do you realize that? Some other like dowry system, caste system, differences between religions. They are at the present. There are many conflicts between the religions. Even we know that all religions are equal. We read that all religions are equal and follow our constitution has given us that India is a secular country. But is it true? No. Because everyone feels like Hinduism is best or something like Mohammedan is best. Nothing. I think that humanity is the best. We all should follow the law of humanity and kindness. We are just here because our ancestors, like our heroes, our fighters fought for us. That was the long walk to freedom as our principals are saying. That even we can't feel it today. We say that we live in a country, India. No, India is not a country. For those who truly remember that what was the freedom and they truly love their country. They don't feel that it was a country. They love the country like a mother. Like the pride. Their life is their country. They can do everything for the country. But today, are we so capable for this? No. Because we don't realize. Even we say that we will let something do great for our country. But you know what? We are living in this country and we are studying in this school. Even we are not doing properly things. That are the rules followed in school. Then how can you say that you will do best for our country? If you can not do best for your school, like your studies and for your works. How can you say? Any reply? From that side and that side also? No.
समझ रहे हो तुम लोग नेगेटिव में कह रही थी।
मैं कहना चाह रही थी कि हम कहते हैं कि हम अपने देश के लिए कुछ बड़ा करेंगे, कुछ बहुत बड़ा, बस हमें वो मौका नहीं मिल पा रहा है। आप इंडिया के अंदर रह रहे हो, आप इस स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो, आप अपनी स्टडीज को पूरा कर रहे हो, और जो आप अपनी स्टडीज कर रहे हो उसी की बदौलत आप वो अपनी कुछ कंट्री में करोगे, लेकिन क्या आप इस काम को भी अच्छे से कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? यही करप्शन है इन एजुकेशन। लाइक टीचर्स हमें होमवर्क देते हैं लेकिन हम उसे टाइम पर कंप्लीट नहीं करते हैं, और फिर कुछ बुखार आ गया था, सिर दर्द हो रहा था, एनीथिंग एल्स लाइक वी मेड। दिस इज द करप्शन। And in reply that how will you do something great for your country, कि आप अपनी कंट्री के लिए कुछ बड़ा कैसे करोगे ये सब करके? जब आपको किसी चीज की हैबिट पड़ी हुई होती है तो आप उस हैबिट के एकदम मतलब एडिक्टेड हो जाते हो, आगे नहीं कर सकते, छोड़ नहीं सकते आसानी से। Let me give an example that a child has something bad habit or anything else. His parents always like, don't do this, don't do this. Then he will absolutely give up of all those things that he was usually do. But if an old man who is addicted to drinking and his like family rules, don't drink, will he be capable of like give up of drinking? No, absolutely not.
Are you getting what she's saying? Listen her properly.
Let me repeat it in Hindi. Like अगर कोई छोटा बच्चा किसी भी बुरी आदत जैसे ज्यादा फोन देखना, छोटा सा बिल्कुल, अगर वो किसी चीज का एडिक्टेड है और अगर उसके मम्मी पापा उसे बार बार मना करेंगे और अगर वो भी छोड़ना चाहेगा तो वो छोड़ सकता है। लेकिन क्या आप किसी 80 और लाइक 70 इयर्स के किसी इंसान को बोलोगे कि वो ड्रिंक करता है तो कि तुम ड्रिंक मत करो, तो क्या वो छोड़ देगा? वो भी यही सोचेगा कि क्या पागल लोग हैं, फालतू में अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं और मेरी एनर्जी वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। लाइक उसको तो जो करना है वो करेगा, बिकॉज ही इज हैबिचुअल ऑफ दैट थिंग। एंड द सेम थिंग दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से यू, दैट जस्ट फॉलो योर लाइक armament that you are in school, then you will be capable for doing something great for your country. Thank you.
Thank you.